Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech, and I've got another quick tip for you. In my inspector project, I already have a scan data with the color map created, and my scale has been adjusted to positive and negative 1 millimeter. And based on that color scale, I already have a pretty good understanding of how my part's deviating. But when it comes to sharing this info with the next person, my next person might just want to know what's good, what's bad. So I'm going to show you some of the other color scales available to you. If I'm using PolyWorks 2023 or older, I can navigate to View, Edit Color Scale. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer, I can navigate to Home, Edit Scale. And a new window will pop up. And right now, we're currently on the Auto range where it's just a rainbow of colors, and each color is assigned a deviation value. If my customer just wants to see pass-fail, I could change the conversion to colors to use object tolerances. And you'll see there's an option called pass-fail. And when I apply, I can see quickly what's passing and what's failing. Another useful scale is traffic light, where some of the borderline passing data points will be displayed in yellow. And those are some of the default scales that PolyWorks offers to you. You are allowed to make your own custom scale, and there's a section for customized scale. And I've made my own 2 ranges scale. That's a blend of rainbow and pass-fail. So based on my scale, I can see very quickly which areas are passing, but I also see the trend of the passing areas. And I can quickly see where all the out of tolerance areas are too. So those are just some examples of color scales available to you, as well as an example of a user-defined scale. Thanks for watching.